Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to learn how we color fill in the circular how we color fill in the box AutoCAD objects. So we are moved to the hatch section. Select hatch section and we going to on the solid. First we put on the every solid. That then we have select then we have select again hatch and we are going to the layer section and we put orange example or anything, and then we have to come out and then we select hatch and we select another color, move one here. We are going to learn some other in this format we have learned. We are going to try some new colors, so we again first we escape, then we out, then we select some new colors. Okay, that's all.